Do you remember the last time you bought a car? What were the options you had? What was the feeling? Are you happy with the decision you made back then? Or are you not? Whatever the case might be, you made a decision, and certain consequences followed. Have you decided on what to eat today already? See, you make decisions every single day. What if we at Metodiev Design told you that you could be in a position to tell whether a decision is going to be good or not? What if we told you that there was an app that could really help you with the decision-making process? Well, there is such app, and its name is Threecesion. Threecesion could be your decision-making buddy, whenever you need it and wherever you go. This is what it looks like. Worst case scenario. WADM, Weight Average Decision Matrix. Wheel of Luck. Advanced Reports. Threecesion, 3-in-1, the ultimate decision-making app. Your decision-making buddy. Download now.